Oh, Natasha. I thought you were not feeling well.
Lo, can I talk to you?
What is it you want to talk to me about?
May mga gusto kasi ako malaman tungkol sa sarili ko. Tungkol sa pagkatao mo.
What are you talking about?
Nung pinanganak po ba ako, nandun po ba kayo?
Of course. I remember that very day vividly, as if it only happened yesterday. Tuwan-tuwa pa kami noon. Dahil nanganak na nga ang mami mo, lalo-lalo na si Cesar. Mula nang ipinanganak ka, ikaw na ang naging apple of his eye. His world. You were his pride.
Lo, may napansin po ba kayong kakaiba nung araw na yun?
Pagkakaiba?
Marso? Ay!
What are you doing? Napakainit ng sabaw!
I'm sorry, Romualdo. Hindi ko sinasadya. Ella,
What the hell were you doing? Gusto mo talagang malaman ng lola mo na hindi ka tunay na Alcantara.
I just want to know the truth.
The truth. I'll tell you the truth. You know who you are. You are nothing. That's what you are. Anak ka lang ng isang adik. Ano nga ba pangalan ni Mama?
Lydia. Lydia Di Makoykoy. Nakatira siya sa isang squatters area.
That's it. That's her name. And you know how much you were worth? 30,000 pesos. That's how much I bought you. And if you don't believe me, tanungin mo siya.